What if something as simple as a small piece of ginger could change what's happening inside your body for the next 60 days? This isn't a myth. This is what science shows. Inside the human body. Within just 30 minutes of eating ginger, its active compound, gingerol, enters your bloodstream. As it spreads, nausea begins to fade. Digestion speeds up. Stomach discomfort eases almost immediately. Inside the digestive system, gingerol relaxes smooth muscles and reduces irritation, allowing food to move more efficiently through the gut. This is why ginger has been used for centuries to calm the stomach. And now, modern science explains how. From day one, ginger begins working as a powerful anti-inflammatory. Just 2 grams per day provides anti-inflammatory effects comparable to ibuprofen, but without damaging the stomach lining. Inside your body, gingerol blocks inflammatory pathways, reducing swelling at the cellular level. Your immune response becomes calmer and more balanced. By week 4, the difference becomes noticeable. Studies show muscle soreness drops by up to 25%, and arthritis pain decreases significantly. Inside joints and muscles, inflammation markers begin to fall by 23 to 28% in blood tests. Movement becomes smoother. Stiffness eases. Your joints feel the relief. Between weeks 6 and 8, ginger begins changing metabolism. Fasting blood sugar levels drop by around 12%. Insulin sensitivity improves. Inside the liver and pancreas, glucose is processed more efficiently, reducing strain on the system. This lowers the risk of developing type 2 diabetes over time. Your body becomes better at managing energy. At the same time, ginger supports heart health. LDL, or bad cholesterol, drops by about 10%. Blood vessels become less inflamed. Circulation improves. Inside arteries, the environment becomes cleaner and healthier, reducing long-term heart disease risk. After 60 days, the transformation is measurable. Chronic inflammation is lower, muscle pain is reduced, metabolism is stronger, and many people even experience 2 to 3 pounds of weight loss simply from improved efficiency inside the body, all from one natural root. Ginger isn't magic, but when taken consistently, science shows it helps the body do what it's designed to do: heal, balance, and function better. Sometimes the smallest daily habits create the biggest internal changes.